You know the A minor 7 chord. You already know that. And now you're learning the C major chord. We are going to switch from C major to A minor 7. Here we go. C to A minor 7. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C. Now get ready for that A minor 7. Beautiful. Now get ready for that C chord. Well done. Okay. A minor 7. 1, 2, 3. Up to that C chord again. Now that A minor 7. 2, 3, 4. All we have to do is take off that third finger. It could be harder than it looks. 2, 3, 4. A minor 7. 3, 4. C major. 2, 3, 4. A minor 7. 3, 4. We may keep the first and second fingers planted. It makes it so much easier. I call them guides, guide fingers. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Now A minor 7. Oh, listen to those strings ring out. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. A minor 7. Beautiful, beautiful. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3,